Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert multiple radio buttons in your fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. Now select form option, this menu bar, and this form is already selected, and here you will find this radio button option. Click here. Now drag your radio button, and here also I drag and see this. Now select hand option and click here. And this radio button not working because each radio button name different, and I will make all of this radio button name same. And see this radio button name now different, and I'll make them all radio button names same. I'll make this one, type here 0, this one also 0, and close. Now select hand option and see this. Now working radio button. All radio button name should be same. Now again select this annotation and right click, select properties, and properties dialog box. You can edit your radio button. You can change radio button border color and fill color. Make this color and see this, and so on. Also you can change symbol color. This is, and finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.